Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another useful tutorial video for your PC. And today I'm going to show you how you can restart, or you can also say how you can format your whole PC and delete everything you have on your PC to make your PC run smoother and faster. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, select the start button and right click here, and here you can see the settings option. Go to the settings option here, and you can select the update and security option on the bottom. Just select here, and on the left side there are many options, but we have to find the option recovery. Just click this recovery option here, and on the top you can see reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting might help. Just click this get started here, and after clicking this you can see these two options. You need to understand what these two option means. First option is keep my files. If you select this option, your file will not be deleted, but your application or software will be deleted. But if you select this remove everything, your files and all of your application or apps will be deleted. If you have any important files on your PC, you can select this option. But if you don't want anything on your PC, just select this remove everything. But I'm going to select this keep my files here. Just select here, and as you can see they are reminding me that my application will also be removed, but I'd already know that. And now select this next option, and here you can see ready to restart. If you are using a laptop, make sure you connect your laptop to your power source, and if you are using desktop, that won't be necessary. Your PC will restart a couple of times, so don't worry about it. It will take 10 or 15 minutes to completely remove all the files, so be patient and don't worry. And in this way you can format or as you can say restart your PC pretty well and safely. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.